आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Question given here is, describe the underlying principle of each of the following processes. First is recovery of silver from the solution obtained by leaching silver ore with the solution of NaCN, and second is electrolytic refining of the crude metal. So first of all, we'll tell the first is the recovery of silver from a solution obtained from the leaching of silver ore. So during leaching, Ag is oxidized to Ag positive, that is silver is oxidized to silver positive, and then combines with or you can say it is leached out with this compound, that is NaCN. So it is reduced to from Ag to Ag positive, right? So it reacts with the cyanide ion here, that is Cn negative of this sodium cyanide complex, and it forms a complex that is AgCN negative, and the silver is AgCN whole twice, right? So silver is recovered from that complex by the displacement method. So I am writing the equations involved in this process. So uh, first of all, Ag plus 8Cn negative, that is the cyanide ion, plus water plus oxygen will give you a cyanide complex, that is AgCN whole twice negative plus 4OH negative. So this is a cyanide complex here. Now from this complex, the silver can be extracted by the displacement reaction of this. So I am taking this cyanide complex here again, and it is reacted with more electropositive metal, that is zinc, and zinc will displace silver from this complex, and silver will be removed out, like extracted, pure silver will be extracted here, and zinc will displace it and forms the complex. So this is the we can get like the question asked is how is the recovery of silver. So this is the recovery of silver by obtained by leaching of silver ore with solution of NaCN. Second is electrolytic refining of a crude metal. So electrolytic refining, it is a process, electrolytic refining. In electrolytic refining, there is a impure metal rod. So impure metal rod or impure metal is taken as the anode, is made the anode, and the pure metal, so of the same metal which is to be extracted, pure metal that is to be extracted. If I am extracting copper, so I'll take the pure metal pure metal of copper strip, and I made it as a cathode, right? And the electrolyte here will be soluble salt of same metal. Like if I'm, for example, I'm refining, if I'm doing the electrolytic refining of copper, so I'll take the electrolyte as copper sulfate, right, of the same metal, right? So in this electrolytic refining, the metal from anode will be like as ions, you can say, as ions will be passed to the electrolyte due to oxidation, right? So due to oxidation, so the pure metal gets deposited, pure metal gets deposited to the cathode, from the anode to the cathode, right? Due to the reduction of metal ions, right? The impurities remain in the solution as collected as anode mud. So the reactions for this electrolytic refining at anode, it will be like metal is oxidized to positive, like n number of positive valency and n electrons. N can be any number. And at cathode, Mn positive is reduced, like a metal is reduced here. So plus n electrons will give you the metal. So it is oxidation happening here and it's reduction happening here. So this is the process of electrolytic refining. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।